Hello, we are back in action. I have to apologize on my last video, so if you don't know, I'm using a new camera setup, and I don't quite know if I like it yet. On my last video, the quality was a little bit lower, so I changed some settings, and I think maybe it's going to be a little bit better, but we're going to find out. We're learning together. We might go back to the old camera setup system. We might try a different one. I don't know. You're on this journey with me, okay? Today, we are trying another concealer. We are going to try the CoverGirl Simply Ageless Triple Action Concealer. I have been seeing commercials for this concealer, so I think it's new, and it's supposed to have a lot of claims with it that I don't really know. Let's just go ahead and read about it and see what's the tea. CoverGirl Simply Ageless Under Eye Filler and Brightener Concealer. It is $12.99 on Target's website. I hate Target's website. Let me try it on Ulta's website. On Ulta's website, it's $17.49. What? And they have a lot more shades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, they have 10 shades on Ulta's website. Okay. CoverGirl Simply Ageless Triple Action Concealer depuffs with cooling ceramic wand, conceals with a lightweight medium to full coverage formula, and infused with hyaluronic complex, vitamin C, and niacinamide to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and hydrates for a youthful look. Details. Their most advanced concealer applicator with a cooling ceramic wand that immediately depuffs as it conceals. Cooling ceramic wand, they're just really amping this ceramic wand up, and that's what I saw in the commercial. Cooling ceramic wand glides easily without tugging and pulling the sensitive under eye area. Formula covers dark circles, even skin tone, and brightens skin to give a well-rested, refreshed looking eye area. Hydrated formula does not crease and blends seamlessly into skin without settling into lines. Features: infused with hyaluronic complex, vitamin C, and niacinamide. So the thing with vitamin C, I've heard that it has to be stored in a cool, dark place for it to be active. So I think brands just say they are putting in vitamin C just to say that they put it in there. Bright and radiant finish. Don't love that. I love a matte finish, but we're going to try it out. Medium to full coverage, formulated for all skin types. Non-comedogenic, does not clog pores. How to use: dot the product under eye area and wherever else you need to conceal and brighten. Use the cooling ceramic wand like a facial tool to depuff and conceal. If excess product, blend in with your finger or a sponge. Cool. Okay, let's go ahead and break into this. What shade did I got? I got 330 Buff Beige. So I don't understand, is the wand different? So is this the ceramic wand that they're talking about? Let me see if I can. Yeah, there's like a tip. I don't really know. So this is the wand. I think you, so, and then it comes with a cap that you unscrew, I'm guessing. Okay. So this is what the inside looks like. Doesn't really smell like anything. I don't understand why they just wouldn't put this in here. They're trying to obviously promote the wand thing. Let's just stick this in here. Oh, so this does screw on. So I really don't understand. Moving on. Okay, so we're gonna dunk in. Am I not doing this right? Like, there's barely any product on here. And it's getting all over this wand. Like, am I not doing this right? Literally, let me read on the website and see how to use. Dot the product under eye and wherever else you need to brighten and conceal. I'm very confused. 3 easy steps. This is on Ulta's website. Step 1, dot, and it has the ceramic wand dotting. Step 2, smooth. It's using the wand to smooth. Step 3, conceal. I think you blend it. This is very confusing to me. Oh wait, there's a video. Let me watch the video. Okay, so in the video, they're using the wand, they're dotting it, dot, 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 and then they're smoothing, which that seems like a lot of concealer to me. I don't know. Okay, we're gonna swatch this. See, this is just, I don't understand this tool thing. It's not very cooling. Like, what? Oh, it is cooling. Oh my God. It feels very cooling. Oh, that feels lovely actually on the back of my hand. Okay, so this is our shade. I feel like it might work for me. I can't, you can't get a lot on here, which I appreciate because you know I don't like a ton of concealer. The shade seems okay. I'm just gonna be quiet and we're just gonna dot it. Dotting. Okay. I don't want to use, because I don't want to use this. I don't want to swipe it like they're saying to cool, because then I'm going to get way more product than I want. So I'm just going to use my brush and blend it out and see what happens. All right, well, what do we think? So done, undone. I don't know. I mean, I feel like it kind of looks nice. I feel like it's getting like a little bit cakey right there in the inner corner, but I think there's a difference, right? Let's do just a little bit more to like, see, I shouldn't have dunked it back in, so we could have like, okay, let's do on the other side. Let's do the swiping motion like they want. Oh, it is very cooling. I like that. Okay. I don't know about this. Okay. And we're going to do just a little dab again on this other side just to like, well, I don't know if we need it. I'm just going to see how this blends out on this side and see. So we're going to blend it. I mean, I feel like it looks nice. It's definitely like lighter coverage. I don't know, it might be a little bit cakey on the inner corner. Let me try to show you up close. I gotta tell you right now, I think that this wand is super gimmicky and it's hard to, I like it because it doesn't distribute a lot of product, but I feel like if you're doing like a full swipe, it's gonna be tough for you. Okay, let's see how it works on the blemishes. Yes, the blemishes are coming back. I thought my skin was doing so well, and now I'm just not sure about life anymore. See, like, I could barely get enough to cover all my blemishes. Oh. Okay, I think I am like digging the actual formula. I just think that the distribution of the product, or I just think that the wand thing is like dumb. But I actually like the product. So here's the completed look. What do we think? I think I kind of like it. Per usual, I have to go to work, so we're going to wear this, check it out in the daylight, and I will come back or do a check-in out in the field to see how I like it. But I think we're off to a good start. I think I did a pretty good job on the color match. I think that I like the formula. I feel like it's not too heavy. It covers. The wand sucks. I'm just gonna say that right now. But I like the formula of this so far. So I will see you guys in just a little bit and we will see how it wears and how it does. Okay, I'm going to film this very quickly because it is 97 degrees outside and my car's black and I'm sweating to death. But I want to check in. I've had this on for a couple hours now and I'm vibing on it. If you could see, like, it's a little bit cakey here in the inner corner. But other than that, I'm digging it. I like it. It's good. The wand is complete bull, but I'm gonna play around with it a little bit more and see if I can do something to like figure out this cakiness. But honestly, it's pretty freaking good. Other than that, everything else, good. A+. So I would give this like maybe an 8 or 9 out of 10. Yeah, I mean, it covered my blemishes, like softened them up quite a bit. Thumbs up from me. Anyway, so thank you so much for joining me on this review. If you need any real estate help in the Denver metro area or in Colorado, I can help you out. I can help you with apartment leasing. I can help you with buying. I can help you with selling. All my contact information will be down below. Thank you so much for joining me again, and I will check you on the next one. Bye.